Alright guys, in this video we're gonna go over some of the best call recording apps for iOS. So I've just opened up the App Store here and searched for call recorder, and you will see a bunch of different applications, but we are going to go over the best ones. Now the one that I recommend the most is this one, phone call recording app. It's a very generic name, but as you can see it has 4.6 stars and 600 ratings. It is very simple. Once you call, you will get this record button and you can then view your recordings and record voice memos. Now that's going to be the first app that I suggest. Another app that you can opt for is this one, Call Recorder ACR App My Calls. Again, it is going to look a little something like this, and you can very simply just record your calls and it's gonna store them on your device. And one more app that I can recommend is this one, Call Recorder for iPhone calls, and it's gonna look like this. It has a blue UI, and right here, as you can see, you have the option of recording. It pops to the side. This time it's not on the screen itself, and you will be able to record the calls and then you can track them and review them. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.